What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. In today's vlog, we're just continuing our range test on this stealthbomber e-bike that we recently have. Crystal's joining us today. We're gonna get like probably a drink and then hit up Santa Fe Dam. For some more range tests. So it looks like we're at 42 miles already here. Still haven't charged it from last ride. We're gonna just squeeze out as much as we can. Currently at 75.6 volts. Yeah, we've already done again 42 miles already and counting. Let's add some more miles. Crystal's on our Onyx City 2 e-bike. It is up for sale, but no one's biting right now because the economy is not that good. Nice day to go out for a bike ride. I think I'm gonna add maybe 8 or 10 miles today, depending on the wife's mood. Feels really good when you ride with someone. When you motorbike with someone, I feel a lot safer on the streets. Yeah, I guess we're definitely more visible when there's two of us, obviously. And, we're not like cutting traffic or anything like that. We're just riding it like a car. Feels really nice when someone's here. To zip around the town with and do quick errands and stuff. This is our steed today, stealthbomber clone. CNN electric bike, 8,000 watt. Peaks at 12k watt, but I never really pushed it that far. Crystal's using the Onyx City 2. So yeah, we love this bike, but the battery's just, by the end of the day, the battery's too small. So that's why we're kind of putting it up for sale. I think we only have, like 240 miles on it. Pretty like new condition. All right. Got our boba. Packed it in the bag. Now we're gonna head to the bike path to get to Santa Fe Dam. I'm just gonna cruise here for a little bit. Crystal and I are about under 50% battery now, sticking in the bike path and just going again at leisure speeds, still kind of draining the battery a little bit to see what kind of max range we can get before I have to recharge for another cycle. But looks like so far, 73 volts, and I've gone about 46 miles now on one charge so far. Go ahead and lead, just don't go over 20 miles per hour. Comment below if any good work from home positions, because I'll definitely be looking. First, I definitely want to e-bike more, travel more, take it as a mini vacation, take my time. Another good news is I am working on a Super73 RX 72 volt version, but it's not going to be as powerful as what everyone else is doing. I estimate it going to be about 45 to 48 miles per hour top speed, because I mainly want to use a stock motor. So that's something I'm cooking up in the garage, just looking for the right battery to fit. The bad news is, I'm definitely not buying any new bikes anytime soon, or at least I shouldn't. Gotta hunker down because of this job situation. It is what it is. 73 volts and about approaching 50 miles. Where we drive, it's mainly flat area. Just a little bit of, incline and declines, but not enough to affect the overall range, in my opinion. And we are conserving our battery just in case, because on the way back it's just full throttle for the most part. Using about 1700 watts going uphill at leisure speeds. And we're gonna probably break somewhere up here, drink our boba, and kind of like watch the sunset. Alright, took our break here, kind of watch the sunset. Drank our boba. And, yeah, even her Bike is about 4 bars left. Alright, officially hit 50 miles now on this charge, and 40% left. I think that's pretty good, right? 73.4 volts. Woo, that's a full sunset. Nice. Look how orange that is. It's huge. Kind of missed the big sunset as we parked. That went by really quick, but I was able to see when we were driving at least 4 bars still. That's a lot. Wife is getting cold, so we're gonna head home and we'll check out how much volts we have left by the time we're home. After the car's clear, we could go. Alright, let's punch it a little bit here, even though we're at 40%. Yeah, the bike still feels punchy, actually. Do you want In-N-Out? Yeah, let's grab some burgers. Oh, that's the first time I've seen my battery bar at the orange. So that's good. That's kind of like what I wanted to see. I think the next color would be red. Alright, we're gonna grab some In-N-Out because we don't have dinner. I've gone 54 miles and I'm at 30% left. That's going to be today's vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on a Super73 arielrider DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventures signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.